Hey there, entrepreneurs! I'm excited to show you how AI can revolutionize your business planning process. Let's dive in. First up, what is a business plan? Simply put, it's a formal document outlining your business goals, strategies, target market, and financial forecasts. It's your roadmap to success, guiding your decisions and helping you secure funding. Now let's break down the components of a business plan. You've got your executive summary, company description, market research, organizational structure, product or service line, marketing and sales strategy, and financial projections. Each part requires specific data and analysis, right? Here's where AI comes in. AI can help generate each component of your business plan with ease. For market research, AI analyzes large data sets to identify trends, customer preferences, and opportunities. Think of it as having a super smart assistant who never sleeps. When it comes to financial projections, AI excels by analyzing historical data, identifying patterns, and simulating scenarios. It can predict revenue growth based on market conditions, competition, and consumer behavior. Plus, it automates the creation of financial statements, saving you a ton of time and reducing errors. Competitive analysis? AI tracks competitor activities, analyzes their strengths and weaknesses, and identifies market gaps. It provides insights into pricing strategies, marketing campaigns, and product launches, giving your business strategy an edge. AI also enhances SWOT analysis by providing data-driven insights for each element, ensuring your plan is based on solid data, not just intuition. So how do you get started with AI for business planning? Follow this step-by-step guide. First, identify the best AI tools for your needs. Next, gather and input your data. Then let the AI crunch the numbers and analyze the information. Finally, review the AI-generated insights and refine your business plan accordingly. Some top AI tools for business planning include LivePlan, BizPlan, and InLoop. These tools offer features like automated financial forecasting, market analysis, and competitive research, making your planning process seamless. To wrap up, AI is a game changer for business planning. It speeds up the process, provides data-driven insights, and allows you to focus on strategy. By leveraging AI, you can create a comprehensive, accurate, and relevant business plan that sets your business up for success. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on leveraging technology for your business. See you next time.